Hi everyone, today I brought to you these eyelashes clusters and I'm going to show you how to install them. Those are DIY and they are made of really nice material. Look at those. And they come in different sizes and in different lengths. So those are like the really long one and those are the really short one and those are like the different sizes. So we are going to put them on my eyelashes from below using this. Let's do it. The bond. Grabbed one from the size 2 here, like, and I'm going to start putting from below. Now I'm going to seal it and lock it in. Look at the difference. Awesome. No mascara. I just put my lashes in here. Those cluster lashes, you can control them however you want to put them, like long and short, and which distance between them. They are really nice. I'm going to finish my face. I'll show you afterwards.